We'll see something here. Today, I'm gonna do what I promised y'all. Stay right there real quick though. Wait. Yeah, I can put something right there. Huh? Hello? Mabel. Well, not my neighbor, but my dad's friend. Ooh, metal ball. Oh yeah, that's gonna do it. That's chat. I'm a. Oh, right here. Right here could look good. Yeah, there we go. Alright. So yeah, the 700 subscriber. I accidentally broke a blade on it. And I bit the blades while I was bringing it down here because I dropped it. And because I was bored. But yeah, I broke a blade on accident already. So, but yeah, let's get started. Take. See? 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 That's too loud. I can't do that. Yeah, this is increasingly loud. Yeah. 700 sub promise. I just hit myself in the leg. Oh, wait. Okay, I gotta quit before I go deaf. God. Yo. Okay. But I'm not even trying to break the blades. I'm trying to break this blade. There we go. Game! And one of the screws already fell out. Oh my god, bro. Yo. I must be wilded, bro. I must be wilded today. This might be a quick discussion that I thought. Okay. Well, if you're gonna be such a little fun skip like that. Looks like it was about a bucket too. Whew. Yeah, I've been cleaning this off with a water hose. These blades are so cheap, bro. Crap. Yo. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. Oh crap, is that a cut? That's a little stab. Doesn't hold anything though. Yeah. I'll see if I can. I wanna try to break the blankets off. Because no one likes it when you're lame. And surely this man likes to be lame, so I'll see how hard I can bend the blankets. Okay. There we go. That's where the blankets broken. Should I try to break this even more? I was shaking the tree. Oh. Hold a little crack. Yeah, I gotta clean all this up. So that's gonna be fun. Sorry for the bad cam review, by the way. It's the best I could do for right now. Chop, don't be mad, please. Oh yeah, for the people hating on me for this, fact, if I want to, I could destroy the kitchen hugger too. I probably will. When the house gets remodeled. Oh, I'll do a blade break on it, so I can put new blades on it. Wait. Ooh, wobbly. Okay. One last blade left. Come on. Yeah, close up for the cheap scam. Oh crap, chain came off. Huh. Doesn't spin anymore. Oh, lame. God dang. And this one's for cutting me. Okay. Cutter. Oh, they're going down there. All these. What stuff always happens with all these? I hate going down there. Alright. Bye-bye, Stefan. Alright, well, this thing wanted to be a little POS today. Looks like, wasn't wanted to be so fun. Oh, the screws. Oh, most of the screws came off. This one was a legitimate snap. What is this? This is... Yeah, that's all Hawkins, in case you're wondering. I don't know. I hope that club's ain't coming for me. So I'll have to start on it. I'll skedaddle, skedoodle. I'll be like a noodle. I'll be done. Oh, crap. Should I break the switch? I'll break the switch too. I kind of want to get it up to capacity. Hey, bro. Good fight. Oh, God dang it, you win. Looks like this thing wasn't gonna be as fun as I thought it would. Cheapo. That was a fun destruction. Glad I finally got this piece of trash out of my site. Let's throw this thing in the back of my dad's truck. Look at how many screws came out. There's only 5 screws left. Half of what was in there came out. I'll see if I break the last blade when I flip back in there. Bye-bye, Stinky. That was a good destruction. Thanks for 700 subs.